Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my client Tracy and she's coming today for a redesign. So I took her previous design off back down to that clear layer, well as thin as I could. There's still a little bit left on there, but I took it down as thin as I could and I done all the prep work on her growth area, and I primed and I filled it with a little tiny clear layer of crystal glass. So now we're going in with the design. So she came in with a picture and I couldn't see, it was like a print screen and there was no like watermark on there, so I didn't know who it was by, but it was really out there, so I don't think it was anyone that I had seen before. Usually I know if it's like, I know people's nails, do you know what I mean? Does anyone know that? Like, do they recognise my nails? Like, I recognise people's nails. I'm like, they're Lorna's, they're Liz's, they're Charlotte's, they're Emma's, do you know what I mean? All stuff like that. I know there's certain people's. So on the baby finger I'm using Amor and Apple Shine, both from CJP, and I'm just blending them, not the normal way you expect. Normal way would be the green at the tip and then you would blend the pink into it, but the picture was the opposite, so we went with it. So then the middle finger is going to be just a full nail of Amor. So I'm kind of having to drain the liquid out of the back of the nail quite a lot, the back of the brush, because there was those bright colours underneath and they was kind of showing through, but you couldn't see them in the end, so it was cool. So just make sure that if you have got a little bit of acrylic left, and you're using a more or a lighter colour, just drain the excess liquid out the back and it will keep the pigment high. So yeah, I'm using my Glitter Planet, I keep going to say aqua brush, but it's not, it's the, oh my god, I can't think what it's called. My mind has just gone blank. What is this brush called? It's the Glitter Planet brush. I really, for the life of me, can't think of what it's called. Hold on. No, can't think. So yeah, I'm using that, but I'll put it all in the description box. I'm so sorry, how have my mind gone blank? Oh my god, this is absolutely insane. It's because I'm cooking bacon and I'm really distracted. So they have the aqua brush and the magic stick. Oh, the magic stick. I'm using the size 14 magic stick. God, my mind went so blank then. Emmy's just started school and this is her first week and I'm having to get up at 6 o'clock every morning on the dot. So yeah, it's a big shock to the system, I'm not going to lie. Usually I'd, lay until about 7, half 7. But hey, whatever. And I have been smashing out loads of videos and still doing loads of nails. So yeah, I apologise. So yeah, on the pointer finger here, I'm doing the exact same as what I did on the baby. I thought I'd just chat the whole way through this because some people said they'd like me to just talk all the way through, so I'm gonna. So yeah, if you want to know what I'm doing, I'm cooking bacon. I've just dropped my daughter off at school. Merlin's having a little cornflake. Yes, I'm just going to have a bacon sandwich. My partner's here, he's working. He works from home too. You're like, shut up, Trace, get on with it. So onto the ring finger, I'm using magenta at the tip. And then here it's a Glam and Glitz colour. I think it's called Have a Grape Day. And I'm just kind of blending them together. It's just going to be like a background colour because we're going to put glitters on top. So these glitters, I haven't got them on me, but they are both from Diamond Glitters. I'll put everything in the description box. I can't remember the name of them for the life of me, but everything would be in the description box. So yeah, just kind of like blending them together as much as I could. I love that purple. It was like a holographic purple, super stunning. Oh, and the stain that, this is my client Tracy, the stain on her nails, she's a hairdresser, she said she had just been tinting somebody's hair, so that's why her hands look all stained. I'm not even mentioning mine because mine are just always covered in horrendous fake tan. My nails are just awful. People were like, oh girl, do your nails, and I'm like, I just can't do it. I can't wear extensions, and gel polish just peels off on me because I don't prep them properly, because that's just what I'm like. But hey, so now the thumb is going to be the same again as the baby and the pointer. At this point, I'm not going to lie, I was kind of looking at them thinking, oh my god, these are absolutely horrendous. How the hell am I going to fix these? I don't know. You know when you do a set and you're like, oh my god, they look thick, they look ugly. I felt like the blends weren't nice. But as soon as you shape them, everything is just perfect again. I'm not going to lie, I was panicking at this stage. I was thinking, oh my god, they're not even capped yet. They look horrendous. But no. So now I forgot to mention that I have fast forwarded this little part because I was just faffing around so much, and it would have been a really long video. I was just faffing around. It's not even sped like half a bit. It's like a tiny little dot. I literally pull it along a little bit. It's sped up like literally the tiniest bit. You couldn't have got any slower, faster even. Slower? No. You know what I mean. It was the tiniest bit. Oh, I thought I recorded me capping them, but I obviously didn't. So I did cap them all in crystal glass, and now I'm going in with my filing. So I'm just using my Glitter Planet file. I love these files, and just making them nice and sharp and pointy again. And as soon as I started doing this, they come to life. Oh my god, I'm frying bacon, it's starting to sizzle. Yeah, they started to come to life, so I was like, yes. So yeah, I'm just going to file them here. I'm going to get off because I'm just absolutely rambling and people are going to hate this. But I just thought I'd have a chat with you because some people say, I'd like you to talk all the way through. But I feel like I ramble and don't make a lot of sense. So I really try to avoid that usually. So after this, I do come with my e-file and I'll whiz over the entire nails just to debulk and flatten out that cuticle and make sure everything's lovely, smooth and even. So then I buffed them lovely and smooth, and I just made sure that the shape was perfect again. And then she went and gave them a good scrub with some soap and water. So on the set that she showed me, they had loads of stuff on them, loads of gems, loads of, I always call them gems and I hate that, loads of crystals, loads of foil and stuff, but she didn't want all that going on, so we just stuck a few little crystals on the middle one and left it at that. So now I'm going in with my CJP tack-free top gloss, applying that to all the nails and curing in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. Apply some cuticle oil and that is the set complete. I do leave a little clip at the end and a photo for you to see the final result. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.